Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Dear students, today in this video lecture we are going to discuss one of the major requirements of our life, soil. Students, do you know what are the things that are essential for life to exist? We all live in a planet known as Earth, and the necessary elements for life are air, water, sunlight, and soil. Dear students, do you know where do plants grow? Yes, they grow in soil because soil is important for all living beings. Like it helps plants to grow. It gives food sources for all living beings, homes for many small organisms like snake, earthworm, etc. We can also make a cha house with the help of soil. Soil allows gas exchange between land and air. Nutrients are recycled in soil. When I utter this word soil, you at once are getting its image, how it looks, as we all have touched it in one or other way. Dear students, now the question arises, what is soil? Soil is the upper layer of earth that may be dug or plowed in which plants grow. Or in simple term, we can say soil is the upper layer of earth in which plants grow. It is the most important layer for life of plants as they grow only in this layer. Some kind of soil have a medicinal value, example clay. Now the question arises how this soil is formed. Do you think it was same from the time earth was formed? No, it was not same as you see it. I will tell you how it was formed. Firstly, the word formation means something possessing to form. Dear students, millions of years ago, when the earth was formed, it was a ball of hot gases. As it was cooled, gradually the outer layer of this ball hardened to form a layer of rocks. Soil is a thin layer of material covering the earth's surface and is formed from the process of weathering of rocks. Now the question comes what this word weathering means, how this weathering helps in formation of soil. Students, weathering is the process of breaking down of rocks and these rocks get broken down with the help of some natural helpers like sunlight, rain and wind. As a result of this process, large pieces are converted into smaller pieces. Thus, these small pieces get broken down again and again with the time, get mixed with humus and form soil. Here, the word humus means natural compound found in soil, or we can say humus is the dead remains of plants and animals present in soil. Dear students, if we observe soil carefully, you will find different layers of soil like this. Now we will discuss about these layers one by one from top to bottom. The first layer of soil is surface layer. It is the layer on which we live. Next to it is topsoil. In this layer, humus is mixed with small particles of minerals. Plants grow in this soil in this layer because it is the fertile layer of soil. The word mineral are organic substance which form rocks. After topsoil comes subsoil. In this layer, humus is mixed with big minerals and small rocks are present. This layer is less fertile compared to topsoil. Next to it is parent material, also known as weathered rock. In this layer, minerals are present with very little humus. Large amount of rocks are present and dear students, do you know the type of soil you find in your area depends on this parent layer of soil. At the bottom is bedrock. Minerals and only rocks are present in this layer. students, do you find color of soil same everywhere? No, soil is not same everywhere. The color of soil depends on the rocks from which it is obtained, and rocks get their color from the minerals which they are made of. Some Some are black, dark brown, light brown, or even red in color. The soil found in your playground will be different from soil found in the road, and that will be different from your soil found in kitchen garden. Thus we can say that if the soil is red in color, it contains iron. Dear students, depending upon the type and the amount of particles present in the soil, it is of three types: sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. Sandy soil. It is grayish brown in color. It has large particles which allow air and water to pass through it. This soil cannot hold water. Sandy soil is found on the beaches and river banks. This type of soil is good for drainage system. It is found in deserts. Clay soil. It is brown in color. It has very fine particles which stick together. It can hold a lot of water. Plants like rice that need lot of water grows well in this soil. Clay soil is found near the river mouths and paddy fields. Dear student, if you will touch such type of soil, it will get stick to your hand like this. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and lot of humus. This soil retains some water and let the extra water pass through it completely. Loamy soil is also known as agriculture soil. It also has higher calcium. It is found in plains and plateaus. It is best kind of soil as it contains all essential nutrients required for proper growth of plant. Now students, we will see what does the soil contain or what is the composition of soil. The word composition means act of putting together. Soil is composed of five ingredients, namely minerals, humus, air, water, and organic matters. Dear students, we have discussed everything about soil. Do you know what is the study of soil called? The study of soil is called pedology. Hope you have understood the chapter fully. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.